The Isinwheel electric bike for adults is a versatile and practical option for urban commuting and recreational riding. With its powerful 500W motor and impressive speed capabilities, this folding e-bike caters to various riding preferences. What's particularly intriguing is its adjustable wheel sizes 14, 16, 20, and 26, which allow riders to customize their experience based on their specific needs or preferences. Design and build quality. The design of the Isinwheel electric bike is both modern and functional. The folding mechanism is straightforward and robust, making it easy to store in compact spaces or transport in a vehicle. The bike is constructed from high-quality materials that promote durability while keeping the weight manageable. When folded, it becomes highly portable, which is a significant advantage for those who live in apartments or need to carry it on public transportation. The 500W motor is seamlessly integrated into the frame, providing a clean aesthetic without compromising on performance. The bike's sleek lines and vibrant color options make it visually appealing, standing out in a sea of conventional bikes. Performance and usability. The 500W motor is the heart of this e-bike. It provides ample power for both casual rides and more challenging terrains. The bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, which is more than sufficient for urban environments. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or enjoying a leisurely ride in the park, this bike delivers a smooth and powerful performance. Acceleration is impressive, allowing riders to quickly merge with traffic or catch up with friends. The pedal assist feature adds to the experience, enabling those who might not be regular cyclists to enjoy longer rides without excessive fatigue. The bike also includes a throttle mode, allowing for a more relaxed riding experience without pedaling. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is paramount for any bike, and the Isinwheel does not disappoint. The seat is designed to be ergonomic, providing adequate cushioning for longer rides. The handlebar height is adjustable, making it easy to find a comfortable riding position, whether you're tall or short. The bike's suspension system plays a crucial role in ride quality. It absorbs shocks from uneven surfaces, contributing to a smoother ride, especially on city streets riddled with potholes. Whether you're traversing cobblestones or gravel, the Isinwheel electric bike maintains stability and comfort. Battery life and charging. The battery life of the Isinwheel electric bike is commendable. With a range of approximately 30 to 40 miles on a single charge, it's well suited for daily commutes or leisurely weekend excursions. Charging the battery is straightforward and takes around 4 to 6 hours. The inclusion of a removable battery is a notable feature, allowing riders to charge it separately without needing to bring the entire bike indoors. The battery's capacity ensures that you won't have to worry about running out of power during your trip. For those who may need to travel longer distances, the option to carry a spare battery could be a worthwhile investment. Safety features. Safety is a critical consideration when it comes to electric bikes, and the Isinwheel does a great job in this area. It comes equipped with front and rear LED lights, ensuring visibility during low-light conditions. Additionally, the bike features disc brakes, providing reliable stopping power, especially important when riding at higher speeds. Reflectors on the wheels and other strategic locations enhance safety further by making the bike more visible to others. This attention to detail makes the Isinwheel electric bike a suitable choice for both day and nighttime riding. Final thoughts. Overall, the Isinwheel electric bike for adults is a solid investment for anyone looking for a reliable and versatile e-bike. Its combination of power, comfort, and practicality makes it an excellent choice for both commuting and recreational use. The various wheel size options add a layer of customization that sets it apart from other electric bikes on the market. While it may not be the cheapest option available, the quality of construction, impressive performance, and user-friendly features justify the price point. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or just starting your e-biking journey,